To resolve the issue of a Verizon Internet gateway blinking a white light, it is essential to identify the underlying cause. The blinking light is typically due to a configuration issue or a poor quality signal. To fix the problem, try power cycling the device by turning it off, disconnecting the power supply cables, and letting them sit for 10 minutes. Then, reconnect the cables and turn the router back on. Alternatively, a factory reset can be performed, but be aware that this will delete customized settings, so it is crucial to back up data beforehand. A factory reset can be done by using a paperclip to hold down the reset key for 15 seconds, after which the device will reboot and restore the connection. Another potential reason for the blinking light could be outdated firmware, which may cause the device to blink blue. To update the firmware, sign into the web portal, navigate to System Settings, check for updates, download them, and install them to see if the issue is resolved. Faulty cables can also be a cause, so it is necessary to check if they are loosely plugged or damaged. If the cables are damaged, replace them. Otherwise, firmly plug them in. Inspect the ports for dirt, clean them, and reconnect the cables properly to see if the blinking stops.